DPF Xpress is a family-owned business based out of the Carolinas. Our mission is to provide an exceptional level of customer service matched with an advanced DPF cleaning system. With our proven 10-stage restoration process, which includes a cutting-edge ultrasonic chemical bath, we can remove over 95% of soot and contaminants. This in turn means that we can deliver you a like-new filter for the fraction of the cost of an OEM replacement. When DPF systems were first introduced, the initial form of cleaning involved just forced air and sometimes a thermal baking. As these systems and technologies have improved, so have the cleaning methods. Historically, more and more fleets and manufacturers have progressed into ultrasonic or aqueous cleaning methods for improved reliability and performance of their equipment. Traditional forced air cleaners have limits to their efficiency and results. These methods remove as little as 30% of ash while claiming to be an effective cleaning. In addition, repeated use of these methods results in compacted pockets of ash remaining in the DPF, reducing the effectiveness and life cycle over time. These ash pockets create hot spots that can prematurely crack the DPF substrate and ruin the DPF. This often leads to an expensive replacement and increased downtime of the equipment. Tests have proven that ultrasonic restorations can remove more than 95% of the particulates deep inside the DPF. This leads to increased intervals between cleaning and a longer lifespan of the original DPF. With ultrasonic restorations, we are not restrained by the type of contamination in the DPF. Oil and coolant soak filters are prime candidates for our ultrasonic cleaning, which would be turned away by traditional cleaning methods. While traditional cleaning processes may cost less up front, shorter service intervals, more frequent downtimes, and a higher risk of failure will result in paying more in the long run. You can trust that DPF Xpress will reduce your cost of ownership over the lifetime of your truck or equipment.